Oh, here we go. Bit windy outside to do this. Okay. Okay, we're going to see if this is warm enough. What I need is an alignment. So by heating this up just a little bit, okay, and that should form an alignment. Now I'm pushing this in, not letting it fall in. So this last one, yes, that's warm to the touch. Okay, now if I just let that cool in place, it should, let's see, here we are, okay, good, and not good. Okay, and we just let that cool. Okay, let's take a look at how good this one is. It should work. When this is cold, I'll knock that off there. Okay.